Hi, I'm Leo from SourcingYuan's. Now let us check the power bank we bought. Okay, now let us check the power bank. Okay, this is the data line. You can see it with 4 types of data line. Type C, this is for FM. And this configuration is 200,000 amount. 200,000 amount. Check the function. Okay, it's charging, and it's also a magnetic charger. Let us check the magnetic charger. Okay, you can see the magnetic charger. It's here, the magnetic charger. Just put the phone on here. It's very good. In the net, this is also can as a light. Now let us press this for a long time. You can see the light is very good. One of the type of power bank we can provide. If you want to buy power bank or other type of products, you can contact me or subscribe our channel to obtain more information about our products. We will provide most competitive price for you. I'm Leo from SourcingYuan. Subscribe our channel.